Alright, what I'm going to test today is I've got a little device I saw on the internet. It's an adapter that you can attach to one of your flight batteries on the Mavic Mini. Kind of like that. It's technically a little charger. If you look at the information, basically it takes a USB-C connection at 5 volts. That goes up to 3 amps on the input. The output's up to 8.4 volts, 1.6 amps. It's got an LED. When it's charging, it's red. When it's off, it's full. And so what I'm going to do is I have one of my flight batteries. I'll put it in my little unit here. You'll see it's only got down kind of on the lower end there, so it's pretty depleted. I'm going to attach this little mini charger to it, attach the USB-C cable. I'm going to attach it to my tester, and then I'm going to collect the data using the wall adapter from DJI, which is an 18-watt charger, and then using my bench supply here, we'll set it at 12 volts. I'll also do another test at 13.6 volts on my two QC3 car chargers, and we'll see how much we actually get for wattage going into a battery using this particular device. Alright, first up here is the wall adapter from DJI. I've got that charger tied up to one of the flight batteries. Got my tester ready to go. I'll just plug it into the wall outlet here. And we're looking at the upper right corner. See how many watts. Got my red light going on there. You can tell it's charging at 6.08 volts, 2 amps, about 12.4 watts. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright, the next one's going to be this Alun QC3 car adapter. Got the bench supply setting at 12 volts. Alright, I got that going. Let's see what happens here. Pretty close to the same as the wall charger. About 12.4 watts. Now I'll shut this supply off, which has been at 12 volts. Start it up, increasing it to 13.5 or so, 13.6. See if that makes any difference. Nope. About the same. Alright, I'll try the other car adapter. This will be from LMAV. Got it plugged in. Pretty close to the same wattage, a little bit difference on the volts and amps currently. That's at the 13.6 level. This time I'm going to crank it down to 12 and restart it. On these QC chargers, they do the volt and amp negotiation right at the start, so you have to kind of catch them when they're getting started here. Pretty much the same as at the higher voltage. So that's about all you can expect out of this unit. Alright, if we compare that to the output that they advertise on the little sheet here, 8.4 volts, 1.6 amps, that's the equivalent of 13.44 watts. So it's staying underneath that, so I guess you can't claim they're that far off on their advertising. So as I've shown in the my other videos, if you use these QC adapters running at the operating car at like 13.5 volts, you should be able to get about 24 watts, 25 watts into a flight battery. But you're going to have to use either directly into the drone or into the hub itself here. And then for the wall charger, that's rated at 18 watts. That's pretty much what you get. So there's a couple options for you. Thanks for watching.